Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to test the range of the ROTG02 and the ROTG01 OTG receivers. In order to do so, I'm going to connect the ROTG1 to this DYS antenna. The ROTG02 is going to be connected to the same antenna from DYS, and in addition I'm going to connect it to this patch antenna from RelayCC. The test platform that I'm going to use is this Banggood quadcopter, which is going to be equipped with this AKK X2P 800mW VTX. I'm also going to test it with 800, 200 and 25mW output power, and this VTX is connected to this Foxeer Micro Aero V2 camera, and the antenna that I'm going to use is this antenna from Fetcher. So now I'm going to head outdoors and compare these two OTG devices. Now I have both my phones connected to the OTG devices and they are both set to the same band, and the next thing I'm going to do is to take off and see how these two devices are going to perform. So now the VTX is set to 25mW and I'm going to test it again.